Welcome to Sesani Tubes. Today we are going to show how to add page numbers for different sections. First, I'm going to show you how to add normal page numbers. Insert page numbers, top page numbers or bottom page numbers as you like. There can be a situation that you need to add two types of page numbers, Roman numbers and italic numbers. So we're going to show you how to use them. First, you need to show that word that there are two sections. So in order to break the sections, go to layout and breaks and next page. Before doing that, you need to click the upper section. So click after the section break, click upper area and go to page number and go to format page number and select the page format that you need and tick start at and the number you need to start. Press OK. The number changes to Roman 3. For the other section, it remains number 4. But sometimes you need to make that as number 1. Go to page number, format page number, select the format that you need and start at number 1. So that changes to 1. Now you have a Word document which having two type of numbers. Please wait with us for more easy tricks of Word and Excel. Thank you.